Every great racing video has three things: racing, drama, and the police. What's going on, boys and girls? How's it going? I'm doing great. I hope you are too. Welcome back to Exotic Rubber. Grab your popcorn because today we're going to be seeing what it's like to have a need for speed. We have some of the wildest clips on the internet here today. But first, I want to give away $100 to 5 lucky random people. All you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment on this video. That's it. It's that simple. Now, without further ado, I want to start off with a little bit of controversy here. We are doing East Coast racers versus West Coast racers. 2 races, 2 cities. I want you guys to let me know who does it best. Let's take a look.
One more thing.
Both cars
it's
jump,
a lot of money.
jumps first.
I don't need no just crying and arguing with me because somebody getting paid.
That's
the bottom line. I with them. I with him tough. That's my boy. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna make a call. Only way I ain't gonna make a call, they too close on crib. And I give you your money and give you your money.
So if you jump again, how you gonna feel?
This is literally why I like sleeping, because then I don't
jump.
You know?
So it's either you sleep or you jump. There's no in between.
This one's good.
Nothing. If we spin, I don't want to hear nothing. We the only racing you
so
out
if I spin?
You ain't gonna spin, bro. You got a fucking all-wheel drive car, bro.
I think you see it spinning.
Nah, bro, you ain't gonna spin. If you knew you was gonna spin, you would have not been doing this race. You know that.
I'm never gonna
break. You break before or in the 60, you go home.
You break after the 60.
After the 60 is a race. Cross in front and effects, you lose. Jump the light, you lose. Okay. You check the tires and we out. Give me 2 seconds.
Boys, I have this M4 competition for the day. I'm about to rip through the canyons, but luckily I brought backup thanks to Redtiger. This is the Redtiger F77 dash cam. For most, a dash cam is something you don't really think about until you need it, but the moment something happens, you'll be wishing you had one. I personally love it to film my canyon drives, but it's just as important for everyday driving. The F77 records true 4K in the front, 4K in the rear at 30 FPS, powered by dual Sony IMX678 sensors. And at night, it has a dual Starvis 2 night vision with HDR. It also has 128 gigabytes of eMMC built-in storage, a super clean touchscreen, voice control, and 5.8 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. So boys, if you're ready to protect your car and capture every driving moment in true 4K, click the link below to purchase your Redtiger F77 dash cam, and don't forget to use my code for a discount. Now let's get back to racing. Next up, we have some crazy raw footage of police versus racers in action. These clips never cease to amaze me. I'm over here counting 3 seconds at a stop sign, and these guys are out here doing the most. Let's check it out.
that car. Yeah. Failing to stop, we are going to be eastbound forward, David Mary Lincoln, 8577, gray color. We just speed approaching over. Probably rate of speed, we're going to be terminating. It's through Wyoming, 100 plus miles.
Through Wyoming, 100 plus miles an hour, terminating 2344.
Next up, we have a little bit of a crossover for you guys. We have F1 versus NASCAR, two of the most popular motorsports in the world, and I need to know, who has the best flybys, F1 or NASCAR? Let's take a look. Now, like I said in the beginning, racing ain't racing unless there is drama involved. And that's very unfortunate because we all love a clean race, but sometimes it gets heated. Money's involved, everything's involved, you can't blame them.
Can't be over there.
Five minutes later.
Come on out here. I just told them motherfuckers just leave. They want to keep pumping this shit up. No, we're trying to go. Fuck that shit. Don't pull that shit out. Everybody knows we're here to race. We're here to race.
Everybody's here to race. Come on now.
Anybody else want to squabble, bro? We can squabble on the set.